Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si rin tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Tarlac Sasha Lacuna introduction video sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025. And tara, i-play na natin to. Okay? Bilang tayo guys in 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
I grew up here, on a farm, where every day was an adventure. Chasing
Oh,
chickens and collecting eggs.
may farm sila.
But in those quiet moments, I found the space to dream
Grabe
big
yung face
and
card niya,
discover who
no?
I could become.
Sobrang ganda niya.
Hi, I am Sasha Julibel Lacuna, 21, representing Tarlac
Province,
Province.
ay!
And yes,
Tarlac
I'm a
Pride.
farm girl who's also a tech enthusiast. As a future IT professional, I bridge
Ay!
tradition
Eh,
and
pares tayo
innovation
IT.
with every step. From the farm to the digital world, I'm here to show the universe
Grabe yung
that dreams
face
can
card
grow
ni
with
Sasha,
passion
no?
and purpose. So let's make it happen.
Eh, ang ganda ng introduction niya, no? Sobrang ganda niya, no? Sobrang telegenic sa screen ni Sasha Lacuna and overflowing din talaga yung charisma niya. Actually guys, si Sasha Lacuna, ilang beses ko na siyang nakita sa personal kasi malapit lang kami sa kanila guys. And the super pretty talaga ni Sasha Lacuna and then super tangkad din niya and then napakatalinong nilalang. Napakatalinong binibini ni Sasha Lacuna. And yeah, supportahan po natin si Sasha Lacuna. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. Bye po.